A boy and a girl from different worlds. Once upon a time, in a big city, there lived a boy named Ethan. Ethan was very poor, and his family didn't have much money. He loved to read books and play the guitar. In another part of the city, there lived a girl named Anya. She was very rich and her family had a lot of money. But Anya felt lonely. She wanted to find someone who loved her for who she was, not for her money. One day, Ethan and Anya met in a small bookstore. They started talking and became friends. Anya was very kind and caring, and Ethan was very smart and funny. But Ethan was worried. He thought that Anya was too good for him because she was so rich. Anya, on the other hand, didn't care about Ethan's money. She loved him for who he was. Episode 2. A Growing Friendship. After meeting at the bookstore, Ethan and Anya started spending more time together. They would explore the city, go to art exhibitions, and talk for hours. Anya loved listening to Ethan's stories about his childhood, and Ethan was fascinated by Anya's knowledge about different cultures. Anya's friends and family didn't like Ethan because he was not very rich, but Anya didn't care. She loved Ethan for who he was. Ethan was a little worried that Anya would find out that he wasn't very rich, but he was falling in love with her. One day, while they were sitting and looking at the city, Anya told Ethan, "I know we are different, but I don't care. I love you for who you are." Ethan was very happy. He had never felt so loved before. Episode 3. Facing the Challenges. Anya's family wasn't happy with her friendship with Ethan. They didn't think he was good enough for her. They tried to convince Anya to stop seeing Ethan, but she refused. Anya loved Ethan for who he was, not for his money or his family. Ethan also faced challenges. His friends were worried that Anya's wealth would change him. They thought Ethan might start to care more about money and forget about his friends. But Anya and Ethan didn't let these challenges stop them. They spent as much time together as they could. They went for walks in the park, talked for hours, and shared their dreams with each other. Their love grew stronger every day. One day, Anya's family decided to send her away on a long trip. They hoped that being away from Ethan would make her forget about him. Anya was very sad, but she promised Ethan that she would write to him every day. Ethan missed Anya very much. He felt lonely and sad. He started writing songs about his feelings for Anya. He knew he had to be strong and wait for her to return. Episode 4. A Test of Loyalty. Anya's family decided to take drastic measures to break them apart. They arranged for Anya to be sent to Europe for a business trip that would last for several months. They hoped that the distance would weaken Anya's feelings for Ethan and that she would eventually forget about him. Anya was heartbroken. She knew her family was only trying to protect her, but she couldn't bear to be away from Ethan. She secretly met with him before her departure and promised to write to him every day. Ethan, left behind in the city, felt a profound sense of loneliness. He missed Anya terribly and struggled to focus on anything. He poured his emotions into his music, writing songs about his longing for Anya. During Anya's absence, Ethan faced increasing pressure from his friends and family to move on. They argued that Anya was from a different world and that their relationship was never meant to be. But Ethan refused to give up hope. He clung to Anya's letters, cherishing every word she wrote. Episode 5. Letters and Longing. For months, Anya and Ethan relied on letters to keep their love alive. Every day Anya would write to Ethan, describing her adventures in Europe, sharing her thoughts and feelings, and expressing her unwavering love for him. Ethan, in turn, poured his heart out onto paper, describing his struggles, his dreams, and his unwavering hope for their future together. Ethan, however, found it increasingly difficult to cope with the loneliness. He spent hours playing his guitar, composing melancholic tunes that reflected his longing for Anya. He visited the bookstore where they first met, hoping to catch a glimpse of her, but to no avail. Anya's family, observing his growing despair, tried to exploit the situation. They subtly hinted that Anya was enjoying her life in Europe, that she was meeting new people, and that she might have moved on. They hoped these whispers would discourage Ethan and make him give up on their relationship. But Ethan refused to succumb to their manipulation. He held on to Anya's words, cherishing every line, every expression of her love. He knew that their love was strong enough to withstand any distance, any obstacle. He believed that Anya felt the same way. Episode 6. A Surprise Visit. Months turned into seasons, and the longing for Anya grew stronger with each passing day. Ethan found solace in his music, his songs becoming a poignant reflection of his love and his yearning for Anya's return. He even started performing at small local cafes, sharing his music with the world, hoping that somewhere, somehow, a Very would hear his songs and know that he was still waiting for her. One rainy afternoon, while playing at a small dimly lit cafe, Ethan noticed a figure sitting in the corner, captivated by his music. As the song ended, the figure rose, revealing a face that sent a jolt of electricity through Ethan's body. It was Anya. Anya had returned unexpectedly, her trip cut short by a family emergency. She had immediately sought out Ethan, driven by an overwhelming urge to see him, to hear his voice, to feel his presence. The sight of him playing his guitar, his face etched with a mixture of sadness and longing, broke her heart. Tears welled up in her eyes as she approached him. "Ethan," she whispered, her voice trembling, "I'm so sorry. I missed you so much." Ethan was speechless, his heart pounding in his chest. He pulled her into a tight embrace, burying his face in her hair. In that moment, all their worries, their fears, their doubts vanished. All that mattered was that they were together again. Episode 7. Reunited and Reconciled. Anya's unexpected return threw her family into a state of shock. They were furious that she had defied their wishes and returned early. They tried to convince her to end her relationship with Ethan, but Anya stood her ground. She explained to them that her love for Ethan was real, that he was a good man with a kind heart, and that she would not let them come between them. Ethan, meanwhile, faced a barrage of questions from his friends and family. They wanted to know how Anya had returned so suddenly, and they were skeptical about the sincerity of her feelings. Ethan, however, defended her fiercely, recounting their love story, their letters, and the unwavering strength of their bond. Anya and Ethan, determined to overcome the obstacles in their path, decided to move in together. They found a small, cozy apartment in a quiet neighborhood and began to build a life together. Ethan continued to pursue his music, while Anya, inspired by Ethan's passion, began to explore her own artistic talents, discovering a hidden passion for painting. Their love blossomed, nurtured by shared dreams, mutual respect, and a deep understanding of each other's souls. They learned to navigate the challenges of their different backgrounds, finding a balance between their worlds. Anya introduced Ethan to her family, slowly but surely breaking down the barriers of prejudice and misunderstanding. Episode 8. Finding Acceptance. Anya's family remained initially resistant to her decision to move in with Ethan. They continued to voice their disapproval, but Anya stood firm, her love for Ethan unwavering. Gradually, however, they began to see the positive changes in Anya. She was happier, more confident, and more fulfilled than she had ever been before. Ethan, inspired by Anya's support, started to gain recognition as a talented musician. His music, infused with the passion and emotion of his love story, resonated with audiences, attracting the attention of music critics and record labels. Despite their initial reservations, Anya's family began to see the genuine happiness in their daughter's eyes. They witnessed the way Ethan treated Anya with respect and affection, the way he cherished her and supported her dreams. Slowly, grudgingly, they began to accept their relationship. One evening, at a small, intimate gathering, a very tall Anya's father, a renowned businessman, surprised everyone by raising a glass to toast the happy couple. He acknowledged Ethan's talent and his genuine love for his daughter, admitting that he had been wrong to judge him based on his background. Ethan, overwhelmed with emotion, thanked Anya's father for his acceptance. He knew that this was a significant step forward, a testament to the strength of their love and their unwavering belief in their relationship. Episode 9. Building a life together. With the support of Anya's family, Ethan's career began to flourish. His music gained wider recognition, and he signed a record deal with a major label. Anya, a talented artist in her own right, began to exhibit her paintings in local galleries, receiving critical acclaim. They continued to build a loving and fulfilling life together. They traveled the world, exploring different cultures and sharing their experiences. They supported each other's dreams, celebrating each other's successes, and offering comfort during times of doubt and disappointment. One evening, as they sat on their balcony overlooking the city lights, Ethan turned to Anya and said, "You know, I never thought I would find someone like you. You changed my life, Anya. You showed me that love can overcome any obstacle, any difference." Anya smiled, her eyes sparkling. "And you, Ethan," she replied, "you taught me the true meaning of love. You showed me that happiness isn't about wealth or status, but about finding someone who loves you for who you truly are." They knew that their journey was far from over. They would face challenges and obstacles in the future, but they were confident that they could face anything together. Their love story was a testament to the power of true love, a love that transcended social boundaries and defied all expectations. Episode 10. A Love Story for the Ages. Years passed, and Anya and Ethan continued to build a beautiful life together. They welcomed 2 children into their lives, a son and a daughter, who filled their home with laughter and joy. Ethan's music continued to evolve, gaining international acclaim, while Anya pursued her passion for art, her paintings showcased in renowned galleries across the world. They remained an inspiration to those around them, proving that love transcends all barriers. Their story became a legend in their community, a testament to the power of true love, a love that defied all odds. One evening, many years later, as they sat on their balcony, Watching the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and purple, Anya turned to Ethan and said, "You know, Ethan, I never thought a girl from a world of privilege could find happiness with a boy from a humble background." Ethan smiled, his eyes twinkling. "And I never thought I could find a love as extraordinary as ours," he replied, pulling her close and kissing her tenderly. As they gazed into each other's eyes, they knew that their love story was far from over. It was an ongoing journey, a beautiful symphony of love, laughter, and unwavering support. A love story that would continue to inspire generations to come.